In this video, I'll teach you how to make homemade udon in beef tomato soup. This is wheat flour, and I added a smaller amount of patent flour instead of the all-purpose flour because that's the only kind we currently have at home. Mix the two up properly before you add the salt water. Keep stirring it while you add the salt water bit by bit. Now you can start kneading the dough with your hands. Just getting every bit of the flour into a big ball of dough is enough. Continue the kneading on a flat surface. After a while, you can put the dough in a big Ziploc bag and wrap it in a towel. The instructions tell me to put it on the floor and to walk on it. Take the dough out of the bag to roll it out, fold it up and put it back in the bag, and to repeat this until the dough becomes really smooth. Let the dough rest in the bag while we make the soup. For that, you need 2 large tomatoes cut in parts. Cut about 250 grams of beef in thin slices. Marinate the beef with a tablespoon of oil, a teaspoon of salt, and a teaspoon of potato starch. Also add a tablespoon of soy sauce and a little bit of water. Make scrambled eggs in a big wok. Add the tomatoes. Add a teaspoon of salt. Add 2 bowls of water. When it starts to boil, add some small knead balls. While we let the soup simmer on the lowest heat and wait for another big pot of water to boil, we can roll out the rest of the dough. After rolling it into a square, you can fold it into 3. Cut it in thin strips. Regularly dust it with some flour to prevent sticking. Let the noodles cook in the pot with boiling water. You can add the noodles to the soup after rinsing the noodles under running water. Right before serving, shortly cook the thinly sliced beef in the soup. Also add a handful of spinach.